So guys, in this video I will let you know how to install app without source code. So first of all we have to open our project. This is my project and this is a simple login page, and we have to go to Xcode and go to product, build. So our build is done here, and now we just have to go to our and go to library, then go to developer, Xcode, and then derived data, so in which you can see the projects. So this is my project, and build and products, debug iPhone simulator. And this is the thing you just have to, like, I will do one thing. I will just open a simulator here. So there is, then I will paste this in the simulator, this project, and just click on that, and here you can see the app is working without any source code. So thank you, and let me know if you have any questions regarding this.